magic potion will be complete at last. The time, Drake Root. One fresh mouse. Huh? Where's my lazy assistant? I need that mouse! Do whatever it takes! Catch him! Oh! You break one. Get me a mouse, huh? Well, from now on... Oh, her. We've had a wicked few. Oh, we'll all get along just fine, won't we? Oh, a present! Oh, no! Warn ya. Pull a dirty trick on me. I'll take this to that other witch and make sure she gets it. I've been double-crossed! Mean an axe for a battle axe, will you? Get this. Take it! Oh, something about broomsticks and a curse. Thanks to you guys, we can now assume our original...
Turning us into witches, 'cause we was chasing after us.